Left.
It's her birthday
Lift
boy.
the rug to find another clue.
Where's your left?
Right, get back or stand around.
Oh, here.
You sound?
Find the present.
There's a clue. He said a
We're not going to
clue.
help you anymore, Con.
Okay. The dancing thing. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Wonder what it is. A book.
He knows what it is. The question is what kind? He's waiting. Connor likes to wait. Connor likes to get them all together.
Yeah.
I remember him. He's got to
Good
gather.
job, now. Real hard. I'm the 24th letter of the alphabet. Plus box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
What am I? Come
No
see me for another clue.
What letter is the 24th letter of the alphabet?
Aha! Under here.
No.
Now.
I gotta think on that.
Me too.
Z's the 26th. So count back 2.
I know
Must
what
be
it is.
X.
Read your note.
It's in Santa's. I'm singing.
Oh, you're so sweet. That's a good idea, though.
That's
What does it say?
It says, I'm the 24th letter of the alphabet. Plus box.
Okay, what's the 24th letter of the alphabet?
X. And I don't know what plus box means.
I'm shocked. You don't know. Why don't you put it all together?
Oh!
Took him a while.
I'll tell you. I was going to say, for Connor. Come on.